Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When creating a TikTok, use the slider at the bottom of the camera screen to record at 3x, 5x, 1x, 2x, or 3x speed. Also, on the preview screen, you can go to Effects, Time, Slow Motion if you'd like to slow it down.
Take our lead.
Simply go to the TikTok video you want to fast forward or rewind. Press the video for a few seconds and select the option, Save Video. The video will usually end up downloaded into your camera roll. Here you'll be able to fast forward and rewind it using your phone's video app.
Take our lead.
Create fast slideshow video using the TikTok templates on Android and iOS. Open the TikTok app. Click on plus icon. Tap Templates. Choose Template. Swipe to explore all templates. Select Photos. Choose Photos from the gallery. Click on the OK button. Tap Next button. Edit. Click Post button. Done. In conclusion,
Make your mark, take our lead.
from Snapchat, open your camera roll and select the video you just saved from TikTok. It should pop up on your screen as a snap. Swipe to the right on the screen until you see the small snail icon and the video begins slowing down. You can then save the video.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.